In this problem on page 257, we got find the area of the region enclosed by the curve y equals 12 over x squared. And we've got the x values, the boundaries of x equals 1 and x equals 4. So what we're going to need to do here is integrate this with these boundaries. And the first thing is going to be we're going to have to get this power up to the numerator. And it's a good idea to write this in this format. All right, so because if you're shown a question like this and it looks like this, it's telling you to integrate with the boundaries of 4 and 1. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and integrate now. I put raise the power up to -1, then multiply by -1, and this is my integration function. And I'm going to put in a 4 and a 1, and I've just got to substitute in the 4, and then substitute the 1, and then subtract the two values. And I'm going to find out that the first one's going to be -3, and the next one's going to be -12. And so then when I subtract them, minus and negative is the same thing as addition. It'll end up being 9 for the total area. Now in the second part, what happens is it says the line x equals p divides the region part A into two parts of equal area. Find the value of p. Now, I don't know what that graph looks like. I could graph it on my graphing calculator, but you won't be able to. But here's the basic idea. What if we just made up something? We've got a graph here, and what we've got is we've got some kind of curve. I don't know what it looks like. Let's make one up. And we know that between 1 and 4, we just found the area. And that area is 9. And what we need to do is we need to find a p that's going to cut it in half. Now, the way this line's drawn, it's probably going to be slided over here a little bit. My p is going to be like this. Now, these two areas need to be equal to each other. And what they want to find out is what's that area. So in this case, they're giving us the area because right now, I know the entire area is 9. And so to go from 4 to p, that's got to have an area of 4.5. So basically in this situation, they're giving me an area, and then I've got to figure out the boundary. So I'm going to plug in 4 and put p in, and then I need to rewrite this, do the function just like I did before, only this time make it equal to 4.5. So we already know what this is going to be. We did it before, but now we've got to make the p in there, substitute the p, and it's going to look like this. Now we make it equal to 4.5. We already know this is -3. This is going to be plus 12p to the -1 power, and then equals 4.5. And now we add the 3 to both sides. I'm going to bring the p down to the denominator, and then multiply p on both sides, and then divide by 7.5. And I find out that p is equal to 1.6. All right, hope that helped. Thanks for watching.